Okay, so on page 2, we're still in McGuigan Steakhouse, and this time we're going to concentrate on fractions, okay? Now, in the diagram, you can see the menu. You can see 3 different starters, you can see 6 different main courses, and you can see 3 different desserts. How many dishes is that all together? Okay, well, you could count them. You could add 3 plus 3 plus 6. Or we could use our matrix, so we could say 4 times 3, because there are 4 columns with 3 items in each column, or there are 3 rows with 4 items in each row. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. So we have a total of 12 dishes. We need to remember that. Number 1, what fraction of the menu above is made up of starters and main courses? So out of the 12 total dishes, how many are starters? Okay, now I'll do A for you. I'll show you how to start. Okay, we know that 3 out of a total of 12 dishes are starters. Now I could write down that answer, but remember, it's always better to simplify. So look for the biggest number that divides into the top and that divides into the bottom. Start with 2. Does 2 divide into the top? No. 3. 3 divides into 3 and 3 divides into 12. Okay, so if you divide the top and the bottom by 3, you will find out the fraction. And then you treat B the same way. Okay, so how many main courses? The numerator will be the main courses and the denominator will be the total amount of dishes. Moving on to number 2. Which is greater? The fraction of starters that contain chicken. So you have to work out the fraction just of starters. So how many out of 3 contain chicken? And write that down for A. Or B, the fraction of main courses that do not contain steak. So you count the number that don't contain steak and you write that down over 6, okay, and simplify if you need to. Which is greater? Which fraction is greater? Okay, so it's A or B, or maybe they're equal. Okay, you have to figure it out. And it says draw a diagram below to prove that your answer is correct. Okay, so yeah, do what you can. You can either do a math sum or you can draw a diagram to prove that your answer is correct. And then number 3, the gold question. If 2 main courses were dropped, so if they got rid of 2 main courses from the menu and they added 2 starters to the menu, what fraction of the menu would be starters and what fraction of the menu would be main courses? Okay, so imagine they got rid of 2 main courses and they added 2 starters. There'd still be the same amount of dishes overall. There'd still be 12 dishes. But now there'd be 12 starters and 12 main courses. Okay, that's what you need to write down. I hope that video helped, boys and girls.